What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing Leoout SX10 versus the RIDSTAR Q20. Alright, we're going to go the Leoout SX10. Alright, so we're going to do some tests. So first test we're going to do the speed test. We do speed test every time. Go to the speed test. Go! By the way, the speedometer on the scooter goes 10 miles per hour faster. Okay, that was good. What did we get up to there? We got up to 38.7. I think we can take one more spin. Full throttle this thing out. Let's go. That was definitely faster. 40, I got up to 40 that time. Okay, put that in the side of the box. First one I got was 38.9, and the other one I got was 40. It's not a check more yet because we still don't know if the RIDSTAR could beat that. It might, I don't know how. Our next test, we're gonna go do the hill climb test. Let's go do the hill test. It's really hard to get up, like if you have really wet tires. So, oh my gosh, dude! The first one recorded, I didn't make it up here. Okay, we can count that, I guess. So that counts as a check mark for hill number 1. Holy crap! It's slippery over here. Do not use this. Do not use this in the wetness. Next one, this is super wet. Let's go. Okay, that's easy. Let's go. Up the hill. Yeah, let's go. Through here again. Alright, this is the other hill. Let's go. Come on! Dang it! Bro, it's literally smoking. Dang it! Bro, it's literally smoking. Holy crap. Fourth hill, no good. Now, we're gonna go off-roading. We're gonna go to the most off-road place I know. So over here, holy crap, it's already really freaking bumpy. Oh shoot, we're already in the ditch. Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Ah! Oh shoot! Or some Okay. Oh my god! Do not ride this in the wetness, bro. But we did it off-road. That was I rate that like a 4 out of 10. This scooter is not that good for off-road. Our next test is the battery test. So I feel like I don't think we have to do a battery test. This is at, and when it's full charge, it's at 58 volts. There's 58 volts here and has 5 bars. RIDSTAR only has 52 volts. So that means this 58 volts has more battery life. So Leoout SX10 wins for battery already. Okay, next test is acceleration. We're gonna be doing 0 to 20 miles per hour on my app. 3, 2, 1. I don't know which time I got, so I'll just put it on the side of the screen. All right, now we're gonna be going to the RIDSTAR and laps to the RIDSTAR. We're switching over to the RIDSTAR Q20. First thing you gotta do, speed test. Oh, you do. Speed test, speed test. Oh. It's kind of garbage. Still open that, yeah. Oh, the brakes. Oh my god, these brakes suck. I don't have a front brake. It doesn't work. My front brake does not work. You see? I have no pedals either. They got slack off. Speed test. I don't know if you have to see the speedometer, but I'm gonna speed. Oh shoot, I got up to 33 on that. And this is low battery too. It got up to 32 miles per hour. Let's mark that down. I beat the RIDSTAR. I gotta go to the Hellcon. Okay. Here we go. I know it's not gonna make it. Stuck? It's stuck! Oh shoot. Maybe if I get a head start. No, I don't want to risk it. Ah! Shoot, another X for the first hill. Dang, RIDSTAR's getting cooked. Alright now. If it doesn't make it up this hill, I don't know what. What? Okay, it made up this hill. Check mark for the second hill. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Check mark for. We can fit. Oh yeah. Okay, this better go up. Go. Come on. Oh. Let's go! Oh my god! Hey. Big field. I didn't know I was gonna make it up that hill. Dang! It lost by 1 hill. Because Scooter got all 4. Damn. We're gonna turn around. Our next one, we gotta go off-road. So, let's go time lapse. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's already freaking bumpy. Sit back, relax, grab some snacks. Oh, shoot. Ah! Okay, that's bad too. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Oh, ah! Go up. Ah! Over the rocks. It's a little better, but I still gotta sit, and it freaking vibrates me. Yeah, bro, it's close. It's probably a tie. Reset the tie. This is easier to ride in the wetness. And the next one we're doing is 0 to 20. 3, 2, 1. That was definitely slower. I think I know who won. So it's close to one, but the scooter won. I just think it's better because it has more power. Like it has like a lot good acceleration. This has okay acceleration, and it like wears out quick when you have like 800 miles on it. So Leoout SX10 wins. See you guys in the next video.